I went to police station, I opened a case, and then I went to court, just like I did with Somizi. When he brought my name in disrepute and said that as a cabinet minister, I basically divulged this and that information. I did not do it because I hated Somizi, but it was impinging on my character that when I am not at work, I just go around loosely, forgetting the oath I've actually taken and divulged cabinet secrets. The same as Mdwaba. Mdwaba, I've known him for quite some time, and I've known him as a good person. I don't know him beyond just being a good person. When he made such allegations, it took me aback because I thought about this guy. Why didn't he call me and just ask SG, there are people who are doing this and this in your name, please intervene? He did not do that. And then, Kolim Gambi gave him enough time. And I looked at that. Nkoli was totally not malicious. He asked him and said, are you sure? And then he said, somebody at Lutuli House is there. And then from there, he became stubborn and said that I stand by what I believe in. He got some few likes on Twitter. And then we're called Amasela. It went beyond me now. It affected the image of the ANC. That vele, these people work like that. Batatem Mdwaba, and all of that. So I had to stand up to that because our image as individuals and as a party is in the rocks about corruption. People look at us and then give us Uputbantu will always use the terminology la masela, I mean, it's not nice that I can be going around convening people. I don't do that, even to ministers. And then asking 10% from people and all of that. In no time, my name is going to be 1010. Yeah, nangu 1010 evela apa Mr. 10% Mbalula. We are born. I don't do that. Yeah. I mean, I try and to the best of my ability to execute my task with integrity. And there's somebody who says ministers and the SG have met and they wanted this money. So I'm happy about this, and it's not ending here. We're going forward from this. We have won with costs and all of that, but it's not going to end here. It goes also with those who use Twitter spaces to defame people. I mean, good journalistic ethics teaches us that before you make an allegation about somebody, investigate. Don't be malicious because you are bought there with few rands and beers. Go and write this about Mbalula. You're right. You do it about Mbalula, you'll do it with everybody. If somebody is making an allegation, good journalists, they investigate and then they say, no, there is prima facie, I'm writing. And the editor will give a go ahead. This thing, just writing about people, about things that are untruthful, it has just become part of our DNA. And we've got kids, we've got families, we lead political parties. If there is wrongdoing, no doubt, must be investigated, it must be reported, but let's deal with facts. So I've got nothing against Mthunzi. Like I tell you, even now, I've known him to be a good chap, a good Khorotman, as Tandelintoza, your fitness, and all of that. Besides that, me and him, we don't even talk anything like business or anything. If he had issues with the minister, I've got nothing to do with that. Okay. He must fight his battles and all of that, but to defame me and put me in the mix of things that I've not done, I will not. So he has failed to come to court with the evidence that I did something wrong, and that's why the judgment.
Okay. This is News Live SA.